and also to bring the quality focus. And that is exactly what the government intends to do in the 12th five-year plan. Because if you look at recent reports, we've got the numbers in, but the outcomes have been questionable. So I think the whole aspect of the learning outcomes in ensuring that the kids who are coming out of school have a decent standard of exposure to education and maybe some orientation about what they would like to do in life is the ultimate objective, and I hope that we will be getting there pretty fast. If you look at the other challenges before us, we are all aware of the demographic potential that this country has. But whether we are imparting the skill sets and the education that is needed to propel this country forward, and whether we can convert our human resources into true assets for the globe is something that we have to question at each stage. The Prime Minister had started an initiative for skilling. We are progressing slowly about it, but I think there needs to be far greater participation. There has to be an expansion of capacity. There has to be focus on the quality of skill sets that we are importing that will be employable not only in India but of a global standard. And this is the biggest challenge ahead of us today. As far as higher education is concerned, although we've come a long way in terms of the number of institutions, we've come, it's almost 600 universities and about 33,000 colleges and almost 20 million people in colleges, in higher education. Our general enrollment, GER,